That's already one too many holes for me. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For anyone that is new here, my name is Atiya. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to go ahead and subscribe if you love everything you're seeing so far. I would truly appreciate that. So in today's video, I am doing, I don't even know what we're gonna call this, because I don't know. Cut the lens off first of all, because all that ain't gonna work for me. So like I was saying, I don't know. I said I was going to look it up on to figure out like what am I going to call this, because that's what I always try to do before I put up a video. But this is just going to be, I'm going to call it like taking pieces that look a little and making it into something nice. So that's what we're doing. So yeah, if y'all want to know how I switch my looks from, I'm not gonna say trashy, but from okay to 10 times better, then keep on watching. So the first piece I got is this like neon pinky one piece, you could call it. Hold on, let me turn it the right way. It's this little one piece. I got it from Pretty Little Thing. I got this a while ago, but I've worn it maybe once. Like, girl, I have not even worn this a lot, because of the simple fact that until recently it was just getting on my nerves on how like it was upholding itself. Like, this texture is, matter of fact, let me look at the tag so I can see what it's mostly. 95% polyester. I don't know if polyester is supposed to be like super, y'all ever put something on and it just feel like it just slide right off you, but not in a good way. Like, you want the outfit to hold you, but it's not doing it. This, what this is doing for me, like it's stretchy, very stretchy, like very stretchy for a top. And this little strap right here, it's like loose. So like I have to constantly keep like pulling it up on my shoulder throughout the day, and it was annoying. So recently, in my new reel that I put up, if you didn't see that, go head over to my Instagram and go ahead over there and check that out. I was saying until recently I figured out a way to style it, which all I do is this how it originally goes on. But sorry girl, I got makeup all right here. Anyway, so I just take this part of the sleeve, which I would normally put my arm through, but I take my arm out, I push my head through it, and then I take my arm and put it through it, and then it like goes across my neck, like how you see, whichever side I'm gonna put it on, how you see it in the video. And I'm not gonna lie, when I first did it, your girl was, it was a little tight, to say the least. It was real tight around my neck. It was choking. But anyway, we made it work. We did what it do, and it came out cute. And a lot of people were saying they liked my shirt, and I'm like, but it didn't come like that. So yes, if y'all finally know how I created this top, and that's how I did it. So on to the next thing. So this is a dress that I got from H&M. Love the pattern on it. Like, I think it is really cute. It's, the camera is making it look extra green, but it's more like of a, not of olive green, but it's a deep green to me in person. Like, it's giving me neon, almost on a virgin neon, but it looks totally different in person. So anyway, it has like this little turtleneck piece once you button it up, because it has two buttons in the back. I don't know if y'all can see that. Two little buttons in the back, and that's what cinches the neckline in, which I love. But when I put it on, it was giving me very much old lady, so that's why I never wore it. And yeah, until, well, I've been knew how to style it, I just never wore it. Which, I mean, I don't get why I didn't wear it if I changed the look up. But anyway, This, I feel like this dress can easily be like altered to your liking because it's so loose fitting. You can cinch it in whichever way you like. All I did was just took a regular safety pin. I think that's what they're called. A little clothespin, and my sister, because you're gonna need help, sis, because you cannot see the back of your dress. I just pulled it in enough. I wanted in a little bit more, but I didn't want to pop it. So I just pull it in enough in my waist area to like cinch it a little bit and make it look more modernized. So that's what you see here. I think the bag came out so cute. It gave me the little in and out effect. I don't know what it's called, but y'all see what I'm talking about. So I think it came out so cute. It did wonders for this dress because, girl, this was very giving me old fashioned. So yeah. Oh yeah, and the sleeves, that's an option to wear it up or down. As you can see in some clips I had it up and it was a look, and then in some parts I had it down. So I mean, depending on what the weather is in your area or what your vibe is, then you pick this home for that. And I also want to mention why I'm thinking about it. I don't know if a lot of these pieces are still on the site. Some of these pieces I've had for a while. So, I don't know. But I'm going to try to find it. I cannot promise y'all that. Because again, I have had these for a while. But if I can't locate it, I'm just really just showing y'all like how I would alter certain stuff that's loose fitting. Or if you got a top that has one strap on it, girl, then go ahead and cross over to the other side and make it look cute. That's what I'm basically trying to give y'all. So, yeah. So, on to the next item. Okay, so next I have this brown. It's like a chocolate brown too. I was bodysuit, and it is from Pretty Little Thing as well. It kind of, to me, it's a very pretty brown. But the way I'm holding it is how it falls once you put it on. Not this deep, but more so like that. And it's just your regular leotard at the bottom. So as you can see, I just did the same thing that I basically did with the neon pink top. I just took the strap and put it across. Or you could also take both straps and crisscross them. That's also cute too. And then in the back, it's going to always look great. The strap is going to always look great. So yeah, that was a quick little alternative too. I do like wearing this like how it is because, you know, for events or whatever, this is really cute. Like a little casual. It's cute. So I didn't really have a problem with this. I just wanted to throw it in there because I think some tops just look cute when you just throw it over to the side. Like, it's crazy because I have been looking for tops for years that take the straps across the body or like crisscross them, but I never came across a good one that I like. So I was just like, girl, just create it on your own little tops and do what you do. So again, this is why I'm making this video, to help y'all out so that y'all can alter some of y'all pieces, like your dresses, your tops, all of that. So anyway, on to the next piece. The next piece I have is this. Dang, I didn't know I got this much stuff from Pretty Little Thing. This is from Pretty Little Thing as well. This is, when I first got this was reminding me, it was giving me very much Versace. Like, that's instantly what I thought. And honestly, when I purchased it, I was like, okay, this could be like a little dupe for that. So let me just get it. When it gets here, jazz it up and then see how it looks. But when it got in the mail, when it came in the mail, I was like, this is a little too short. Because in my mind, I had got a, you know, size up so that it could kind of fit me as a dress. And then I could just put like a good belt on with a knee-high boot. But, girl, that was not it. So, basically my alternative to this was to just put on some black biker shorts. Black biker shorts, you can get them from anywhere. You can find them anywhere nowadays. Just put them underneath. But I kind of pulled them up a little bit so that it wasn't giving an illusion that you got on biker shorts, if you get what I'm saying. Like, you still want to get that feel of you focusing on the top and not the bottom. So that's what I basically did there. Oh yeah, and the whole time I'm talking about a belt, I'm not even showing y'all. This is the belt that I've been talking about. Where did I get this from? I don't know where I got this from, but it's a cute little belt. It's just a black belt with gold. I don't know what you would want to call this, like a gold, child, I don't know. Y'all see it though, but I like for my belts to really pull me tight. Like, normally when you get a belt, the belt be too loose. So that's another hack too. If your belt is too loose, just take the just take you some scissors, but make sure they're sharp, not the kitty scissors, and just open them up and stick one of the legs of the scissor into the belt. It might take a minute, especially on leather belts, but I literally just take it and I just act like I'm screwing something in. It'll pop through. It's worth it, trust me. This is a good travel piece. Like, I feel like this top alone gives me very much beachy vibes. Like, just the feel of it is just so soft and so flowy, so airy. So yeah, I really, really love this top. I feel like you could do this a whole bunch of different ways. You could tie it up, you know, you can finesse it a million different ways. So that's that with that top, and I have one more piece that I'm going to show y'all, which is one of my favorites. So yeah, let's get into that. So this next piece, a lot of y'all probably like, this top look a little familiar. I had this, a lot of y'all probably will remember this top. Woo, can't talk. Will remember this top from, I don't know what picture I had this on in. Let me find it. This picture right here. It's crazy because in that picture it was giving me like cozy vibes, but as y'all see, you can also dress it up. So that was a plus for me because I never really wore this top neither. I was just kind of scared to step out of my comfort zone, but I just felt like it never looked right. And until I started taking pictures in it and manipulating with it and finding different ways to style it, I was like, okay, we might have something. So this is what I pretty much came up with. Again, the belt, I paired with that, some black biker shorts, some thigh-high boots. It was a look. And of course you can still alter it to however you want to. You can button it all the way up. I just chose to leave mine show more of my chest. But yeah, it's not really much to it. Like that, this clip on whichever side I'm gonna put it on pretty much explains it. Like, it was nice. And I got this top from Forever 21. The camera again is making it look like teal, and it does not look like that in person. But so just envision that this is like a navy blue but like a deep green. Yeah, like if I pull it back some, that's kind of its true. Is it? I don't know. Yeah, if I pull it back some, that's more of its true tone. So that's pretty much what it looks like in person. This is made out of majority cotton, which they not lying, because girl, if you get a size too small and you move the wrong way, it's gonna pop. Because I think I already put a hole in it, like a hole right here. No, that's the pocket, girl. Tia, what you talking about? It's a hole right here. I don't know if y'all can see it, where my thumb is sticking out of, and it's one within the pocket as well. So that's already one too many holes for me. So we're just gonna wear this for picture purposes. We're not gonna ever really wear this out. But then again, when I put it on, you can't even really see it. But it'll be that one time you wear it and somebody like, you get a hole in your shirt, like. So we just not gonna even wear this out. We're just gonna take pictures in it, unless we just feel like hemming it. So I mean, not hemming it, what is it? Stitching. So that's pretty much it for my video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed watching me alter some of these pieces from don'ts to do's. And while you're here, don't forget, you might as well go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will check back in with you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.